Ever wonder why pros pressure wash gas stations at night? Here's the secret. Cooler temperatures prevent water from evaporating too fast, giving detergents more time to break down grease and grime. Plus, those bright overhead lights reveal every missed spot that daylight glare would hide. And with zero foot traffic, we can tackle oil stains and concrete without rushing or blocking customers. This is a game changer for commercial cleaning. Nighttime isn't just convenient, it's scientifically better. Safety first. Always wear high visibility gear and ensure proper lighting. Need some pressure washing? Leave an inquiry at www.slan.org.